Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video for those that have a weird issue with their taskbar icons and flashing icons or kind of weird overlapping icons, or things are going weird in your taskbar and on the system tray on the bottom right. It seems that it is caused by the update that was happening, the optional update that arrived last week, but it's very unique. So here's the thing. If you haven't installed the optional update of last week, and I always say optional updates are just bug fixes. If you have nothing wrong, you shouldn't install them. If you did install it and you've got that weird glitch of blinking taskbar or something weird happening, it has to do with the news and interest panel. Two fixes available. Until it gets fixed, you can right click on the taskbar and just have the display of at least just the icon of the news and interest. And of course, make sure that you disable the open on hover. And this will have your taskbar running correctly until the fix. So that's one thing. And we'll give you the weather outside your location. Or if you prefer to really totally have this disabled, and that's where the problem starts when you turn it off. It seems that icons have a hard time kind of getting their space on the taskbar. Something's weird there. You could go to the settings, go into update and security. Here in update history, you'll have the uninstall updates on the upper left. And you can just uninstall KB5003214. That's the update causing the problem. It is linked to the news and interest widget. So that's why when you turn it on, at least with the minimum, it actually fixes the problem. You have two choices. If you had other issues that were important and this fixed the other problems, just turn on the news and interest and let it on for the time that they fix the bug. You'll have the possibility to turn it off eventually when they fix it. And for those that, of course, have no problems at all, like me, you don't have to do anything. Just leave it alone. Even if you installed it, you don't have to uninstall it. There's, if you had to have the problem, you'd have it already on the taskbar. So that's what's happening there. So not a lot of users, but a little more than the usual background noise, as I call it, have this problem right now. So that's how you fix it temporarily. Hope that they fix it for next week, because when we get a security update patch Tuesday, they also install the optional updates at the same time. So hopefully they're going to have a fix for that. It might be just an update to the news and interest panel, actually. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.